Good morning from ETN Focus Workshop, Mexico City. This is the first time we are in Mexico, but it's not the first time we run an event in Central and Latin America. In fact, as you may remember, our very first event was run in Guayaquil, Ecuador, and actually it was a quite small event like this one. A few participants, but we realized that that was the good formula for the workshop. So what we wanted to do was to create like a disruption in the way networking events were organized around the world in the education industry. So small events where people can really connect to each other, not just professionally, but also personally. In fact, in these 2 days, people really, and also people. There are people at the center of the experience, so they can talk, they can get to know each other, and of course they will talk about their program and about business. Yesterday we had also some information about the Mexican educational system and about the funding that students can have to go abroad, to study abroad. And today we will have one-to-one meetings, so this is really the most important part of the event. So people, so agents and educators will sit together, they will talk about their programs, they will talk about the situation of the students in Mexico and start doing business together. So that's all at the moment, but of course, stay tuned.